Hi, Janelle here with Sheep Hill Herbs. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to another video. I just want to give an introduction. What you're about to watch is a clip. It is a portion of a class that I filmed. So if you haven't caught on yet, I film my classes that I teach for the most part at my shop in Pennsylvania. But the classes are often highly clipped and edited because I post them here on YouTube. So what I'm doing now is I'm going to be recording my classes and making them available for purchase. So they will be the actual full class. So you're going to see a little portion of this class. It was the beginning. We talked about dandelion roots and digging them up and the amazing benefits of dandelion, the emotional, spiritual. And then I actually go into a lesson on yoni steaming. So roots, root chakra, ties together. And I'm going to have these videos available on Etsy as far as a purchase, a digital purchase. And what you get is a link. So the video is provided via link with a password after your purchase. And this is like a special thing I feel like I'm offering to my loyal followers and video watchers, where you get to see the entire class portion. So thank you for being here. If you're new, welcome. If everyone could please like, subscribe, hit the bell button, comment. Check out my description down below. I am going to have my link tree there, and the link tree has my Etsy shop. So FYI, this today is Friday, and I am putting a video, my Herbs A to Z class, which was on blue vervain. That's another class that is going to be in my Etsy shop from 2 days ago. And then the one from last night will be added either today or tomorrow. So just keep your eye out for that. And I'm always going to be bringing this up. This is a great way to take my classes from long distance, and maybe if you're not ready to do a whole course, you get to at least do a class portion. So thanks, and come again soon. All right, so have either of you dug up dandelion root? Yeah.
A long time ago.
Okay. All right, well then this will be like a review for you, Rebecca. So I just went up to my garden.
I don't know if I dried them right though. I dried them in the oven, but
Okay, well, I'm going to show you like how I would dry them. I just went up to my garden and there were not that many actually right now.
chickens ate all of them this year. I was
Yeah.
just, like, I went out earlier today and I was like, wait, where's all the dandelions?
Oh no. Yeah, the birds will do that. So I used a small trowel, like a kind of like pointed one. And I just want to show you a few of the different roots. Typically the roots that are like bigger and longer, I think have been in the ground, more than 1 year. And I feel like I pretty much got full roots. Sometimes if you have a really big, thick, old one, like this one was, you can see it broke. So it went down even. I didn't go, I guess it went about as far as the trowel tip would go. And pushed up, and then I broke the root off. And this one had more leaves, so usually that tells me the root's going to be bigger. So let's see, dandelion root. Do you know what it's good for?
Liver cleansing.
Yeah, so typically most of the herbs have like what's called organ affinity. So they have like, a few organs that they gravitate towards. And I find that so weird and fascinating. Like, you take the food in your body or the herbs in your body. I'm looking to see if actually, do you want to look for me while I'm talking, Rebecca? See if there's a dandelion in here. So I find it so neat that like if you eat an herb or drink tea or whatever, it like goes where it's supposed to go in the body. Like Hey, Sage.
Sorry.
Oh, that's okay. No, I'm going to pause for 1 second.